Hello everybody, Shelly here. I have the new American Influencer Beauty Box. This is the AIA Award Beauty Box. It's a subscription service, comes every other month. It's $34. And I've only gotten 2 so far, and I've really enjoyed them. The Guy Tang hair products, I loved. Manicadar products, they were all great. There wasn't anything that I think that I was like, oh, I wish I wouldn't have gotten it. So far, they've been slam dunks, wins. So I thought I would go over again with you guys this AIA Beauty Bundle. The way I think it works is every other month they partner with an influencer, and that influencer kind of takes over the box. Now, here's the thing that I have an issue with. I had a hard time finding how to buy the products. Like, I love the Guy Tang shampoo and conditioner and products so much that I was like, okay, I gotta go buy it. And then I looked online and I couldn't find, it looked like he has a site, but it's for salon professionals only. And I'm like, well, I'm not gonna go to a salon or try to find one local just to buy the products. So I ordered some on Amazon, and now they're coming from a salon, but I ordered it through Amazon, so I guess that's good. Little tip in case you really like the products and you want to go purchase it. Now, this month's takeover box is Jennifer Yen, and she is the creator and CEO of Purlisse. She's also a Hollywood actress. She's of Asian descent, so she came up with something based on, I think, her mom's recipes or her mom's love of skincare. Anyway, $34 for this box. You are guaranteed, I think it's like 5 full-size items, and then sometimes they throw in some extra goodies too. So I'm gonna go through what I got. The first thing on the top here is this little canvas cosmetic bag, because we all need cosmetic bags. Oh my gosh, this is loud. Okay, this one is a canvas one. It says, give your skin a boost of energy on one side, and then it's got a watermelon on the other. And I think that kind of makes sense because I think this might be a lot of watermelon scented infused watermelon enzymes. Pretty good size bag. It's not super heavy, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip right away either. Comes with a watermelon canvas cosmetics bag. It says, pack up your makeup essentials in our gorgeous and perfect for summer watermelon canvas cosmetic bag. It's August. Summer's on its way downhill anyway. MSRP on this is $10 in case you were all curious. Okay, next thing on here is the watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask. That's this one right here. And we're gonna take a look at the packaging of it. I didn't have anything that leaked, it looks like. Okay, it's a light scent. I'm not smelling any marshmallow. Maybe the consistency is more marshmallow-like. Okay, it's very, very thick. I think it's a peel-off mask, isn't it? Yeah. Peel-off mask. This is kind of fun. If you're doing the whole like self-care day, it's very shiny. There's a lot of shine in this mask, but it's a peel-off mask. Peel-off masks are not usually my first go-to, just because you peel them off and then you got this mess. You gotta throw in the garbage, and hopefully it doesn't stick to the garbage can or the liner, or I don't know, end up in your sink, clogging your drains. That's just the practical side of me saying, I don't know that I love peel-off masks so much as ones that I can wash off. Purlisse, I hope I'm saying that right. Watermelon energizing marshmallow peel-off mask. It's an antioxidant packed peel-off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of skin. $24. Tighten the appearance of skin? I'm all for that. Could have used it on my neck. Not upset by that at all. Energizing Aqua Balm. I think this is actually like a deluxe sample size. It says lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. MSRP on the full size of that is $24. I don't know why they would have put this so close to the top of the list if it's just a deluxe sample size, but we're gonna try a little bit here. Okay, so it feels almost like a thicker water cream, and it does have a little bit of a clean, fresh, not an overly cloying watermelon scent. It's not bad actually. The next item on here is the Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. That must be this one. If I look at it, the package only has product about there. That seems a little strange, doesn't it? It's definitely not a full container. I mean, there's only enough product to go about there. So this is all empty up here. I don't know how I feel about that. This is, so it says Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Awaken skin with a coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, hydrates to leave skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luminous. $24. I'll actually use this. You know, I've got that Frank Body coffee scrub, and I don't like the mess it leaves in my shower, and I don't love the scent of it. So it's sitting there next to my shower, but I think I've used it once. I'll try this and see. The cool thing is, so MSRP on that's $24. The cool thing is you can follow it up by this, the Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter. This body butter smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes while the coffee invigorates and awakens the skin. $24 on this too. I'm sensing a theme with their pricing. And I don't smell anything like horribly strong coffee scent. It feels like there's more product in here. So while I don't think anything spilled in my box, I don't know why you would have so much wasted space and product. Am I being judgy? I don't mean to be judgy. I'm just saying, I don't know why you'd have that extra thing here. The Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk. Sulfite-free pink charcoal and watermelon infused cleansing milk gently cleans the skin of impurities, removes makeup, tones, and soothes the skin. $9.99. Would you do a cleanser before you? Yeah, you'd do cleanser before your mask, right? Do a cleanser and then you do your peel-off mask. And I'm gonna put a little of this on here. I'm not smelling anything that smells like Jolly Ranchers yet. All right, this, I mean, it's not an overpowering scent. I think you have to really like the scent of watermelon. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of that Elf Jelly Pop stuff. I have used Purlisse stuff before, but I think I got samples in like a Birchbox. You guys remember Birchbox? I haven't used Birchbox in forever, but it used to be a monthly subscription service. I can't remember how much it was, 10, 15 bucks maybe? I don't know. But I just was overwhelmed with samples, and it felt like it wasn't enough for me to decide if I wanted to spend it. I needed more like travel size in order for me to decide if I wanted to actually purchase a full size of it. And I felt like the deluxe samples just weren't really enough for me to decide on. Okay, the last thing in here, and honestly, I've never bought anything Purlisse. Even though I know I've had samples and stuff before, I've never actually spent money on it intentionally, directly. Like you buy these and then you may not know what brand you're getting. Okay, the last thing on here is the Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist. It says this Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist is a refreshing, hydrating, and soothing face mist packed with antioxidants. That seemed a little redundant. I feel like I said antioxidants quite a bit here. $9.99 is the MSRP on this. Okay, it's not horrible. I feel like my face is wet right now, so we're just gonna fan it off a little bit. Does it feel refreshing? I guess so. Antioxidant face mist with green tea, refreshing, soothes, and hydrating. I don't know. Maybe this is more like a toner. So I guess you use the cleansing milk to take your makeup off. You do your peel off face mask. You do your body scrub in the shower. You do your body butter when you get out of the shower, and then you're left with it says face mist, but I'm gonna call it a toner. Use that, and then you've got your energizing aqua balm as your moisturizer. I guess I know what I'm doing tonight. Okay, you guys, the entire box cost me $34. The total price on it, or total MSRP for all the products in here, $125.98. I would call that a good value, especially for products that I'm intrigued about. I like the fact that this is like almost a full regimen. I didn't get some of my standards. I didn't get a serum. I didn't get an eye cream. I didn't get a night cream. I didn't get a real moisturizer. But I got enough to play with, and I think this will actually be kind of a fun little treat for myself one of these days, when you have time to treat yourself and to do self-care. All right, you guys, that's it for my American Influencer Beauty Bundle for this last 2 months. I think it's probably, I'm guessing it's August and September. In 2 months, you'll see me again with American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I'll be curious to try these out. If you see them in my future empties, then we'll know that that I liked them and I enjoyed them and I used them, and I'll let you know if I'd actually purchase them again. So I'm gonna throw this in with some of my, I guess, elf watermelon stuff, and we'll just combine all of our watermelon scents for the dog days of summer. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by and you've made it this far. Please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the bell so you get notified. I tend to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific time, 6 p.m. Eastern time. I'd love it if you guys leave me a comment. Follow me over on Instagram at Sheli Tsunami. Feel free to DM me over there. And if you're interested in subscription services like this, if you get the AIA Beauty Bundle, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you guys watched it and you like this content. And until my next video, bye for now.